Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG with a PlayStation 4 controller on an iPad. First, make sure your iPad is running iOS 13 or a newer version to support controller connections. It is also important that your PlayStation 4 controller is fully charged. Lastly, ensure your PUBG Mobile application is updated to the very latest version for the best experience. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Now, let's pair your PlayStation 4 controller with your iPad. Begin by opening your iPad settings and turning on Bluetooth. Next, press and hold both the share button and the PlayStation button simultaneously for about 3 seconds. The controller's light bar will quickly flash, indicating pairing mode. You should then see DualShock 4 wireless controller appear in your iPad's Bluetooth list. Simply tap it to complete the connection. With your controller paired, open the PUBG Mobile application on your iPad. Inside the game, tap the settings icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the main screen. From there, find the Controls tab, which allows you to customize your gameplay. You can now adjust various settings such as sensitivity, button layouts, and movement preferences to match your play style perfectly. Spend some time here to find what feels most comfortable for you. To truly master controller play, spend some time in the training ground, practicing your aim and movement. A good iPad stand can significantly improve your comfort during longer gaming sessions by providing a stable viewing angle. While many top players use touch controls, adapting to a physical controller offers a different, engaging experience. Enjoy the precision and tactile feedback of your PlayStation 4 controller as you dive into the battlegrounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.